Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a trading Discord. First, create a new server on Discord, giving it a clear name related to trading. Next, establish a set of concise rules to ensure a respectful and productive atmosphere for all members. Then, begin organizing your channels, perhaps starting with a general chat and a dedicated announcements channel. This foundational setup is crucial for a well-structured community. Now, let's set up your essential channels. Consider dedicated spaces for market news, specific asset discussions, and a channel for sharing trade ideas. Crucially, create distinct roles for your members, such as trader, moderator, or even premium member for exclusive content. Carefully configure permissions for each role to manage access and maintain order across your server, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. To enhance your trading Discord, integrate powerful bots. These tools can provide real-time market data, deliver instant price alerts, and even execute basic trading commands. Bots are also invaluable for automating moderation, helping to filter spam and enforce rules without constant manual oversight. Additionally, use bots to send welcoming messages to new members and automatically assign initial roles, streamlining the onboarding process. Finally, focus on fostering a vibrant and engaged community. Encourage members to share their insights and ask questions, perhaps through daily polls or structured discussion topics. Consider hosting regular live trading sessions, or Q, and events with experienced traders to add significant value. Actively promote your Discord server on relevant platforms to attract new, enthusiastic members, ensuring continuous growth and a dynamic trading environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.